Alright guys, welcome once again to Coach Remmy Fitness. Today I'm going to show you guys, or we are going to do together an AMRAP that will target the arms, the back. Alright, so it's a pull workout AMRAP. So we'll be doing standing upright rows, bent over rows, and then bicep curls. Alright, for the biceps there will be variations. I'm using a body pump barbell, and I have all the weights on it I have here in the house. So the total weight of the barbell and the discs is 18 kgs. This AMRAP is going to take 15 minutes. The way we are going to do it, each exercise we will do 10 reps per round and then move as quick as possible to the next exercise. If you want to follow along, just do as much as you can and enjoy, and as long as it's challenging you feel like you got tired but you want to do the same volume, you can press the pause and then you continue afterwards. And guys, yes, if it's your first time here on the channel, hit the subscribe and the bell notification. After doing the workout, I want you guys to tell me how many rounds did you achieve, and are you gonna, next time you do it, are you going to challenge yourself much more? So the best way to achieve any health goal is to always try to challenge yourself to improve a little bit, a bit better than the last time. Alright guys, let's get right into our workout. Okay, first one, bent over row. I will be alternating with the forward, arms looking forward. Alright, let's go. So we bend forward, back straight, and then you pull until the barbell is touching your belly button. 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure you're also retracting your shoulders. 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Now we are going to do upright rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Now hammer curls to start. Hands are shoulder width apart, and you keep the elbows close to the rib cage. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. The next bent over row, we turn, palms are facing forward, and then we bend down, knees are slightly bent, and then we are pulling. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come upright. We are going to upright row 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For upright row, I always do overhand grip. Underhand grip is not even possible. Now we are going to do bicep curls. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Avoid swinging. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Now, if you want, you can take a short break. But remember, AMRAP is to challenge yourself as much as you can. Now we are going again to overhand grip. All right. Shoulder width apart. We bend forward. Soft knees. Let's go. If you want, you can take wider than shoulder width apart. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Upright row. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. Hammer curls. Shoulder width apart, elbows close to the rib cage. Avoid swinging. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's take a short break, like 1 minute. Already 5 minutes gone. I can already feel the pump. You can also see. Yes. Let's take 1 minute. So now it's 5:55. Let's go until 6:55. Let's try to take the waist away. Yes, guys. 1 minute break. So we will work again like 4 or 5 minutes and then take another break. We'll take, this is the first of the 2 breaks we will take during this workout. Okay, let's get ready. Bent over row is coming. Okay, take the weights. When I'm going to take the weights, I bend the knees a little bit. Let's go. It's time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, come upright. For the upright row, I like to take shoulder width apart, and yes, wide stance, feet are shoulder width apart. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, hammer curls. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful. Now, underhand grip, wider than shoulder width apart, slight bend forward. Let's do this angle. Slight bend forward, soft knees. Let's go. 1. Notice I'm also retracting my shoulders. Retracting the shoulders activates the upper back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful. Now we are going to do upright row, thumbs width apart. Okay, wide stance in the feet for good stability. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful. Let's do hammer curls. Shoulder width apart. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What time is it? Time for another, the last of the 2 breaks. Now it's 10:40. Yes, guys. Ooh. I'm starting to sweat. The workout is good. I'm feeling the pump. Thank you so much. If it's your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe, because in the analytics tells me most of the people enjoying these workouts are not subscribed. Please subscribe and help me reach the target of 1,000 subscribers. About 20 seconds to go. And if you do share your workouts, you can tag me if I did contribute to inspire you to get fit. Whenever I see someone who tagged me or used hashtag Coach Remmy, I have to interact. I interact with them because that's my motivation. All right, final round, guys. Let's go. We got this. I am humbled. Okay, let's go. Final round. We're almost there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I always add one more because I have the tendency of miscounting with a -1. Okay, let's now do bicep curls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Upright row. thumbs width apart. Take it at the center to balance out the weight. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Hammer bicep curls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. One more round. Let's go. Final round, guys. We got this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bicep curls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Upright row. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Ooh. Wonderful, guys. Thank you so much. If you do enjoy this workout, make sure you share with 1 or 2 people. I plan to be sharing more short workouts like this. So like today we targeted the pool workout. It was a pool workout, AMRAP, a pool AMRAP workout. Alright, if you did enjoy this workout, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment. When you leave a comment, that will help this content to be seen by other people looking for workouts to do from the comfort of their home. It also helps this channel, guys. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one. Bye.